check it out guys. Welcome back to Lolo Creates. My name is Lauren and this is my channel. I hope you're having an amazing day today as well as staying safe. And a lot of us are working from home or doing schoolwork from home. I figured this was the perfect time to get organized. For this month I decided to do an orange theme because they're in season and I've been eating a lot of them lately. Don't be intimidated by how complex they might look. They're actually fairly simple to draw once you get the hang of it. Without further ado, let's just keep on watching the video. For the cover page, I decided to draw different sizes and styles of oranges. Some were cut open as a slice and some you could see the outside. For each circle or half circle, I split it up into triangles with a pencil. Then I went in and drew triangles, making sure to round the edges and leave some white space in between the triangles as well as in the center of each half circle or circle. For smaller triangles, it may be easier to fill it in with the bullets and the marker, but I used the brush tip to cover larger areas or triangles that were a little bit bigger than usual. I used two different Tombow markers and I'll leave their color codes in the description box of this video. One is an orange color and the other is a dark green. I then went in with my dark green Tombow to write April in brush calligraphy, and I finished off the page with some leaf doodles. For the month at a glance page, I wrote April in brush calligraphy, and I drew the boxes for the calendar. Each box was 5x5 boxes in my journal. I decided not to use a Pigma Micron this month because I didn't want it to look like Halloween, so I decided just to use the green and orange. I also did my lines for the days of the week and decorated with some oranges and leaves. On the right side of the page, I drew two boxes, one for YouTube and one for Instagram. You can use these for to-do lists, tasks, goals, whatever you want to do here. I finished off by putting the days of the week up top and also numbering the days in their boxes. For my playlist spread, I drew orange slices. One was for each song and I thought it turned out really cute. On the right side of the page, I drew boxes for my tasks and events. Each day had a mini orange slice in the corner and each of these boxes are 11 by 17. The last one is a combined weekend. For the next spread, I split the page into 6 sections without drawing a line with my marker. I alternated oranges in each box. Have fun with the placement and shapes of them. I did around 2 in each little section, and I alternated from left to right. Then I split the page up by writing each day of the week in brush calligraphy. Finish up by writing the dates and doodling some leaves for decoration. For the next spread, I split it up into 8 boxes, 7 boxes tall. The oranges are drawn in a 7x7 square. The top sections are intentionally bigger than the other ones. I drew orange slices in a 7x7 square on the left-hand side of each of those boxes. Then I wrote April in brush calligraphy up top and split up all the sections with lines. I thought this quote was cute, so I wrote it up top. It's when life throws you lemons, be creative and make orange juice. I finished off by writing the dates and doodling some oranges. I really enjoy the layout of the next spread. Each box is 9 tall and 20 wide. Leave space on the left and right side so you can doodle some oranges and leaves. Again, I wrote April up top in brush calligraphy, and I went through and wrote the days of the week and dates on the left-hand side of each box. Finish up with some leaves. I like to make every month its own section, and the last week in April has 4 days. Since I could be creative with it, I drew 4 orange slices on the pages at different slants. Then I wrote the days of the week, kind of curving along the side of the orange. I wrote April in brush calligraphy up top and doodled some leaves around the oranges. So here's a final flip through of all my spreads. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Go watch this video that's on the screen right now. You can connect with me down below in the description box, as well as on my Instagram, which is @Lolo_creates. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!